be paid to obstacle avoidance equipment.
App installation. Scan the QR code on the manual and download the app. Or find the Connect phone page in the remote control screen. The phone scans the QR code on the screen and downloads the app. Connect the phone to the remote control to view the picture. Find the Connect phone page in the remote control screen. Connect the mobile phone to the remote control Wi-Fi. Open the app. Click on Media. You can view the pictures taken by the drone. Check the flight logs. Find the flight logs page in the remote control interface. Click Download Log. Connect the mobile phone to the remote control Wi-Fi. Open the app. Click the Flying Log option. View and share drone flight logs. Find the drone. Find the flight logs page in the remote control interface and click Find Drone. Open the app. Click the Find Flying option. Scan the QR code on the screen. Click the navigation option at the bottom of the screen to enter the map. You can view the location of the drone and find the drone according to the location on the map. Product function, display, remote control detail, app interface details, pre-flight preparation, unfold the aircraft wings in turn, remove lens protector. Remove the bottom lever of the remote control. Install the two joysticks on the left and right consoles. Insert the memory card into the bottom slot of the remote control. Insertion of aircraft batteries. Insert the vehicle memory card. Pull up the remote control antenna. Short press first, then long press to turn on the aircraft power supply. Press short first, then press long to turn on the remote control power. After the aircraft and the remote control turn on the power, wait for about 1 minute for automatic frequency matching. After the remote control emits a dripping sound, the frequency matching is completed. After the frequency is successful, long press the remote control video button to perform geomagnetic correction. At this time, the drone light flashes quickly. Pick up the drone and rotate it 3 to 5 times clockwise according to the instructions. After the remote control makes a drop sound, the camera rotates 3 to 5 turns downward, and the remote control makes a drop sound again, and the geomagnetic calibration is completed. After picking up the remote control, long press the camera button for 5 seconds to start the gyroscope calibration. When the drone light turns on, the gyroscope calibration is completed. After the geomagnetic and gyroscope calibration is completed, the UAV automatically carries out GPS star search positioning. When the number of satellites reaches about 10, the positioning is completed, and the remote control emits a drip sound, at which time it can unlock and take off. Interior mode. If you need to take off indoors, after the UAV geomagnetic and gyroscope calibration is completed, you need to long press the GPS key for 5 seconds, and the remote control will emit a drip sound, indicating that the GPS function can be turned off, and the UAV can be unlocked for takeoff. At this time, the UAV does not have outdoor GPS mode function. Unlock. The remote control pushes the left and right remote sensing inward or outward at the same time to unlock the aircraft. Basic control. Ascend. Descending. turn left, turn right, move forward, backward, fly left, fly right, flight speed mode change, crawl mode, normal mode, sport mode, aircraft lens angle adjustment, camera and video functions. Tap the photo button on the remote control to take a picture. Tap the video button on the remote control to start recording, and click again to end recording. One-click return function. When the GPS signal is good, tap the one-button return button and the drone begins to return. One-click takeoff, landing. Press the one-key takeoff button and the drone automatically takes off to hover at a height of about 1.5 meters. When in flight, short press the button. The drone will automatically land on the ground. Fly around function. Tap the fly around button in the function bar, and the drone will start to surround after locking the main body. Follow flight function. Tap the GPS follow button in the function bar, and the aircraft will follow the mobile phone. Soar function. Tap the soar button in the function bar. Press the start button on the right side of the screen to start the UAV to fly into the sky. Tap the button on the right side of the screen again to stop the operation. Go away function. Tap the go away button in the function bar. Press the start button on the right side of the screen, and the drone will start to fly away. Tap the button on the right side of the screen again to stop the operation. Flip function. Tap the flip button in the function bar. The screen can be flipped. Click again. You can flip again. Spiral function. Tap the spiral button in the function bar. Press the start button on the right side of the screen, and the UAV will start to spiral up. Tap the button on the right side of the screen again to stop the operation. Battery replacement and charging. Plug the charging cable into the bottom charging port of the remote control. Connecting plug. The remote control indicator blinks from left to right during charging. After charging is completed, all four indicators are on. Take out the drone battery by holding down the buckle on both sides of the drone tail. Plug the charging cable into the drone battery charging port. During charging, the battery indicator blinks from left to right. After charging is completed, all four indicators are on. After the charge is completed, the aircraft is reloaded. Aircraft vane installation. Unscrew both sides of the blade. Remove the blade vertically. When replacing, pay attention to distinguish A and B blades. Inst all the blades vertically downwards. Tighten both screws.